Hey there, cyber enthusiasts. Welcome to DevByte, your go-to channel for all things cybersecurity. I'm thrilled to have you here.
Today, we're going to explore something that's absolutely essential for anyone looking to dive into the world of security: Kali Linux. So, what is it, and why should you care? Let's find out.
So, first things first, what exactly is Kali Linux? Think of it as a powerful toolkit designed for penetration testing and security auditing. It's based on Debian, but it's packed with features that make it a favorite among professionals.
Originally born as Backtrack, Kali was revamped and released by Offensive Security in 2013. And since then, it has been the go-to OS for many security experts.
What's really cool? Kali comes pre-installed with hundreds of tools. From network scanning to vulnerability assessment, it's all there. You won't have to waste time hunting for the right software, it's all in one place. Now, you might be wondering, why should I use Kali Linux? Well, imagine having access to industry-leading tools like MAP for network mapping, Metasploit for exploitation, and Wireshark for network traffic analysis all at your fingertips.
Plus, it has a thriving community. If you ever get stuck, there are tons of forums, tutorials, and resources to guide you along the way. You're never alone on your journey.
And here's a nifty feature: you can run Kali from a USB drive without installing it. This means you can take your toolkit anywhere. Need to test a network on the go? Just plug it in and you're ready to roll. Now, let's talk about who should be using Kali Linux. If you're a security professional or an ethical hacker, this is your playground. But it's not just for the pros.
It's also a fantastic learning platform for newcomers. If you're eager to explore penetration testing or just want to understand cybersecurity better, Kali is the perfect starting point.
So, there you have it. Kali Linux is not just an operating system, it's a powerful tool for mastering cybersecurity.
If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on future content. What topics are you curious about? Drop your ideas in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.
And don't forget, in our next video, we'll walk you through how to install Kali Linux on any computer. Whether you're new to this or a seasoned pro, we've got you covered. So, see you in the next video.